In today's video, I am going to teach you how to group layers and use frames in Figma. We'll start in an open design file and walk through how to organize your layers with groups. Then move into using frames for structure, layout, and responsive behavior. By the end, you'll know when to use each one and how they work together. Begin by selecting the objects you want to manage together. You can click on the canvas while holding Shift or select them in the Layers panel. To group them, right-click and choose Group Selection. Or use the shortcut CMD+G on Mac or Ctrl+G on Windows. A group behaves like a folder for layers. You can move it as a single unit, resize it from the handles, toggle its visibility, and rename it so you always know what it contains. Importantly, grouping does not flatten your objects. Each layer inside stays editable. You can also nest groups to build clear hierarchies. For example, group a set of icons, then group that icon group with its label to keep related elements together. If you need to break a group apart, use CMD+Shift+G on Mac or Ctrl+Shift+G on Windows. Or right-click and choose Ungroup. A quick tip: when you find yourself selecting the same items over and over, grouping them saves time and reduces accidental misalignment. Now let's use frames. Press F and draw a frame on the canvas. Frames are more than containers. Think of them as true layout regions. Unlike groups, a frame can have its own background color, which you'll find in the right sidebar. Frames also support layout constraints, which help your layers respond when the frame is resized, so buttons can stick to edges. Images can scale and spacing stays consistent. Another powerful option is Clip Content. Turn this on to hide anything that extends outside the frame's boundaries, keeping your design tidy and focused. To insert objects into a frame, drag layers directly into the frame in the Layers panel. You'll see them become children of that frame, which makes nesting predictable and easy to manage. You can reorder items within the frame there as well. Here is the bottom line: use groups for quick, simple organization when you just want to move, resize, or hide multiple items together. Use frames when you are setting up structure, working on layout, preparing prototypes, or building responsive designs that need constraints and clipping. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.